Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install a custom map for your Assetto Corsa. So first, as you guys can see, we have the SRP right here. It's one of the most famous maps in the entire game and community of the Assetto Corsa. A lot of servers are based on this map right here, and I'll show you guys how to easily download it. So first, you guys need the content manager. It's an alternative launcher for Assetto Corsa. Here you guys can choose cars, you guys can change maps, and this is what we want to do. So let's start off by downloading the content manager. It's assettocorsa.club/contentmanager.html. Here we will need to scroll a bit down until we see the download light version. And if you want to unlock the full version of Content Manager, then what you guys want to do is basically support them. It's not much, it's $5. So basically for $5 you get the key to your Content Manager. I did that already, I've got the full version. And now let's head over to shutokorevivalproject.com. Basically, it's a site to download the map. So let's click on download here. Let's click on stable release 0.9.3. And now make sure to read the terms of use. So it's very important to do that. Now let's click I agree to these terms after you read it all, and then click download. So now the map is downloading. I already got it, so I won't download it again. And what you guys want to do now is basically open up your content manager, and you don't need the full version to do that. It's only optional if you want to support the creators. So now let's make sure we have our SRP right here, and what we want to do is we want to slide it right into the content manager. Now let's open this green icon up. As you guys can see, now it will search for content on the SRP. So all we got to do now is to wait for it to stop scanning. So I'll see you guys then. So now let's head over to this icon here, those three lines. Let's click install. Basically we will install an entire map right now. So it might take a while, but I promise you guys, when you combine the map with some mods like Pure, it's I think $1 a month, and you can only buy it for $1 and then stop subscribing. So you guys will just get the latest version for $1. And now after you combine it all, especially this map, as you guys can see now it's successfully installed, then it's basically perfect. So now what we want to do is we want to change the track. So let's click this icon here, click on all, and here search for Shutoko Revival Project. Here we can choose our respawn point. So I always go with the main layout or the Daishi. So let's click OK. And here we can also change the cars. As you guys can see, I can go with my M4. We can choose the colors. And now we have the Shutoko Revival Project right here. So now we just click go and everything should be fine. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.